All right, some EMI. Show some stuff with EMI on this detector. I'm standing straight under a transformer. I got this machine deep high conductor, 95 sensitivity. The speaker on this thing's maxed out. I've got this camera about 8 inches from this remote running. Okay. Park mode. .95 sensitivity. You hear anything? I don't hear a thing. Fast program. 95 sensitivity. Sensitive FT. 95 sensitivity. I don't hear anything. You hear that detector working? Audio's maxed on it, okay? General program. 95 sensitivity. I don't even hear anything at all on that thing. Let's see. Beach mode. 95 sensitivity. Okay, that's auto scans on this machine. I'll go in here and verify it. Frequency scan auto. Diving program. 95 sensitivity. Tilt my head back. You make I can't get this camera up high enough, but there's single phase 115. 4 lines, okay. There's a house right behind me. 2 vehicles with OBD2 ignition with batteries installed on them, okay. I don't know what they're doing for EMI, okay. Relic program. 95 sensitivity. Hear anything? Alright. Let's get this camera over here closer. I'm gonna move this remote over here closer to this camera running. Don't seem to do nothing to it. Okay. We'll turn this camera off. Let's bring this Equinox out here, and I'm gonna lay this detector down. I'm gonna stand in this same place, and we're gonna run that Equinox at 24 sensitivity. You can go through all the programs. Mine. I'm gonna do this instead, okay? Got that old Equinox is on right there, boys. See that right there? It's in Park 2. And E-Track right there is on too, okay? Now I'm out here with this machine. Okay, this is a DEus 2 with a 9-inch coil. That's deep high conductor. Sensitivity 95. Speaker on this baby is maxed. You hear anything? I'm standing about 9 foot from that Equinox, and I'm standing about 7 from that E-Track, okay? I've got air traffic over my head here too. You hear anything in that detector? Alright, that's deep high conductor. That's park mode. Now I've got this thing in auto scan. Now when I transition programs on this detector, I hear one of these detectors over here. I think it's the Equinox chirps. Then this thing, and then it gets quiet, okay? I don't even hear any feedback coming from these other detectors over here. There's fast program. .95 sensitivity. Alright, I'm gonna walk up closer to this Equinox here with this call. Look how close I am to that thing. I get a little feedback there, but shit, I'm about 3 foot from the call. Okay. Now I'm back about 7 foot, maybe 8 foot. Listen. Hear anything? Alright. I went to sensitive FT and that Equinox over there chirped. .95 sensitivity. Hear anything? I don't hear anything. General program. .95 sensitivity. I'm standing close to these detectors. Okay, let's change programs on this Equinox. I don't know what this thing's doing for frequency. That's part one right there, Equinox, okay? General program. I ain't even done a noise cancel on it. Still sounds pretty quiet to me. Okay, let's go over here. Sensitive program. 95 sensitivity. Fast program. As soon as I toggle this thing, that Equinox over there chirps. Now remember, this thing's doing auto scan. Park mode, Equinox chirped. You hear anything in that detector? It's working. Look. Hear it? I got that audio speaker maxed out. So you boys are hunting with E-Track users buying this machine and hunting with Equinox users, this might be beneficial to you. I don't find this detector any worse than any other detector that I've used for EMI where I've used it, okay? I bought and paid for everything you see in this video right here with my own money. Every single one of them, okay? And I got some more that I bought in the house too. Deep high conductor, 95 sensitivity. That mine lab over there's cutting up. I'm standing about, call is about 7 foot from that call on that E-Track. Listen to that E-Track. All right, I'm gonna do a scan on this detector and see if it shuts that E-Track up. Still quiet. All right, mono program. This will be interesting, okay? I've got it. Remember now, I've got this thing in auto scan, okay? So I'm going to go up here. That's 19.1 kilohertz. I'm going to toggle the frequency down on it. She's went to 12.1 kilohertz. I'm going to run the sensitivity. I'm going to go sensitivity on this max 99. All right. Listen to what you hear. I'm 99 sensitivity. DEus mono. I got a little feedback, okay? .95 sensitivity. Okay, I'm gonna go back down here. I'm gonna go down frequency. I'm going down now, okay? She's gonna see where she stops. 6.9 kilohertz. Listen. I don't hear anything. All right, I'm gonna go down again. 4.0 kilohertz. Listen. You see how close I am to these detectors here? DEus mono. Okay, now I'm going to go up. Okay, I'm in a 25, roughly 25 kilohertz band. Okay, she stopped at 28.5 kilohertz. Listen, I don't hear nothing. All right, going up again. She's going to stop at 30.3 kilohertz. Quiet as a mouse. All right, went up again. She stopped at 36.3 kilohertz. Listen. You're just a little teeny bit every now and then chatter, but that may not be caused by these detectors. I couldn't tell you, okay? General program. Sensitivity 95. Turn the reactivity down on this thing. There's zero reactivity. In case anybody wonders, listen. I got this camera, I'm talking, it's 3 inches away from this remote. Hear anything? Okay. EMI on a detector is probably, most of it comes through the call, boys and girls, okay? It's not coming through up here. It's coming through the call. So you might get on a, you might get some frequency or whatever's coming through the call in a site. But this machine here's got auto scan. It seems to work for me. I don't know what else to tell you. I'll take this detector to about 7 places that you would think would be problematic. We can run this thing. Now, I've had air traffic come over me with this detector right here, and it go bonkers, okay? Same goes with that one right over there, Equinox. And I've talked about it in videos, and I've talked about it on the forums. Listen to that. General program. Look at the park program again. Park program. Hear how that Equinox over there chirps when I change programs? So that Equinox, see, I'm changing frequencies on this machine momentarily until this thing can do an auto scan, and that old Equinox over there is hearing it. Now, I have heard some racket out of that E-track. All right, let's go around this side of these detectors. See what happens. You see how close I am? Look how close I am to that detector. Now, I get some feedback right there. But I'm on top of the, now I don't get none there. Let's get over here around this E-track. All right, I get some feedback there, but look where I'm at. Okay. Got this old camera right up here by this park mode. 95 sensitivity. Listen. I don't hear nothing. No audible EMI in this machine that I can tell. I got pretty good hearing. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.